muscle, these high-protein steak, egg and cheese breakfast burritos are a delicious, quick and easy breakfast with over 60 grams of protein that you can meal prep ahead of time to enjoy throughout the week. To your lean ground beef, add taco seasoning, then mix well with your hands till fully coated. Now add your taco meat to a pan on high heat with some cooking spray and cook through till golden brown and crispy. Then add tomato sauce, mix to coat, and for the creamy avocado sauce, add all of these ingredients into a blender, and this goes great in the burritos or as a dipping sauce on a side. Just blend it all up till smooth and creamy. Now in a bowl, crack 12 eggs, beat them up, then add them to a pan with some melted butter and scramble till light and fluffy. Season with salt and pepper to taste, then on a warm tortilla, layer up all of your ingredients like so, then roll it up tightly into a burrito, toast in the pan to get crispy. If you're trying to lose fat and build muscle, these high-protein Five Guys patty melts pack over 50 grams of protein for only 570 calories. They're easy to make and perfect if you're craving a cheeseburger. To your lean ground beef, add salt and pepper, mix it up well, and shape out 6 equal balls. For that secret sauce, mix all of these ingredients together till completely smooth. Then in a pan on medium heat, add sliced onions, stir till soft, then add balsamic vinegar, brown stevia, and stir for nice and brown. Now clean out your pan, add some more cooking spray, and we're going to smash these patties down till they get a crispy sear on both sides. Next, place a slice of light cheese on top, let it melt, and repeat for one more patty. To assemble, get your brioche bun, flip the base over, add cheese, the secret sauce, your double smash patty, caramelized onions, more sauce, and the top bun. Now just toast it in the pan for 1 to 2 minutes on each side till nice and crispy, and you're ready to enjoy. This is how to make the best high-protein Korean fried chicken tenders for only 192 calories each and 60 grams of protein. So if you love crispy chicken but you're trying to lose weight, slice your chicken into 6 strips, add these seasonings and mix well to coat. Then in a bowl, add self-raising flour, potato starch or cornstarch, a few more seasonings, mix it up, then take half a cup of that flour mixture and add it to another bowl with some sparkling water. This is going to help that batter get nice and crispy. Add a little bit to your flour, mix it up, then dunk your chicken breast into the flour mixture, shake off the excess, then into the wet mixture, and finally back into the flour. You want it looking just like this. Set them on a rack, give them a good spray, and air fry with these settings. Flip them halfway and respray. For the Korean glaze, mix soy sauce, water, low sugar ketchup, gochujang, honey, and brown stevia. Bring it to a bubble, then stir on low heat till it thickens up. And once your chicken's nice and crispy, coat it in that Korean glaze.